Hello student, today I am going to discuss May-June 2019 3-2 spreadsheet part. So I made a duplicate copy of my data file and question paper in the desktop. This is our question paper. Now spreadsheet belongs to second part of this question, that is task 3 spreadsheet. Before starting the any spreadsheet question, first you need to read the statement given by the examiner. Why you need to read the statement? In that statement, like the beginning, they will mention one statement in italic format. Why you need to read the statement? Because here examiner will mention what will be the currency symbol and what will be the decimal place. Now what they wrote here, you are going to prepare a spreadsheet for SuperDisk cells. The company makes and sells storage devices. The company will use a spreadsheet to compare some of the solid state drives that they sells. All price are in euros, which must be displayed with 2 decimal places. That means here they mention all price will be all currency symbol will be euros and 2 decimal place. First question number 14. Open and examine the file ssd manufacturer.csv and ssd.csv. Now let me open these two files together by pressing Ctrl button and then press enter. Then two file is opened. You can see your two file. Now next question, what they're asking in the file ssd.csv spreadsheet, insert two new row at the top. So ssd here you need to add two new row at the top. So first block two row by keeping your cursor pointer over the row number and the right click insert, then it will be two row will be created. If you need three row, then you need to block three rows, but when you block, just keep it in mind, you have to block through the row number. That means you have to keep your cursor pointer over row number and then block. Okay, now next one, what they're asking, enter in cell A1 SDS-SSD price per gigabyte. So you need to write here the sentence. After that, what you have to do, next one, merge the cell A1 to G1. So block A1 to G1 and merge and center. The next one, what they're asking, format the merge cell A1 to have a white 30 point serif font and red background. Okay, so it should be 30 point. So if you see here no 30 is written, so you have to write manually. Then it should be serif font. Serif font means without with line. So that means Times New Roman is one kind of serif font. You can make it Times New Roman. And background color will be red, font color will be white and background color will be red. Okay, now if you see the question paper, here they mention, but in the question paper they make it bold. Okay, so you have to make this one also bold text. Maybe examiner asks, forget to ask for bold. SDS SSD price dot per gigabyte. Now next one, what you have to do, format text in row 3 to be red 18 points and serif font. So row 3, this one should be 18 point, it should be red and serif, that means without line, any kind of font without line. So this is already without line, so you can keep it like that. So block whole thing, double click between two columns, then all the data will be visible. After that, format the top of the spreadsheet is look like this. Now check row number 2 is hide it. So what you will do, you will make row number 2, click outside, make row number 2 hide it. Little part of the 2 will be visible. Now next one, what they are asking, save this spreadsheet as file name SDS_SSD _ your center number and candidate number. Now file, save as, it should be Excel workbook in the same folder, SDS, file name will be SDS_SSD. Then what you have to mention here, SDS_SSD_ your center number and your candidate number. Your center number, if you're from girls side, you have to write SX139. If you're from boys side, you have to write SA139. This is for our school. And then just write down by default one candidate number. Save. Done. Now next one, place your name, center number, candidate number in the center align in the header. So click on insert menu, click on header, it is center align, write your name, I am writing my name, then center number SX139, candidate number, this is for boys, for our school only. Okay, different student will write different thing. Okay, now after that what they're asking, place in the text created on followed by automated automated date, then space, then automated time, left align in the footer. So click on go to footer. So left align, you have to write down this one, created on automated date by giving a space current date, comma space current time. Okay, now click outside, and before mentioning this one, please check your system date. If it is not correct, you have to make it correct, then you have to do it. Okay, so now then go to view menu. I want to make in one page, so click on normal. Now it will look like a one page, but still header footer is there. Now next one, place in C4, use a function to look up the manufacturer name. Use the M code column for the lookup value. Okay, so in C4, use a function to look up the manufacturer name. Use the M code column for lookup value. Okay, that means you have to find out the manufacturer name. M code column will be lookup value, and what they are asking after that, and the external file ssd manufacturer.csv for the array. Now first of all I need to check ssd.csv manufacturer.csv, this one. So here data given in vertical way, that means column wise. So that means we need to use what lookup? VLOOKUP, as the data from where I am going to collect their data represented in vertically. So here you have to use VLOOKUP. Lookup value will be this M code, table array will be another table, this one, and you need to select all the data except the heading. Then column index will be 2 as the data belongs to second column, and for exact value you have to give 0. Apply the formula in the remaining cell. Done. Next one, in cell G4 use a formula to calculate the price per gigabyte for this drive. Okay, so G4 you have to find out price per gigabyte. So in this case what you have to do, equal sign, and here you can see the capacity is given 128 and price is given. For 128 capacity, price is 60, so you have to divide 128 for getting 1 GB price. You have to divide this 128 divided by 60. So this one 128 means it is belongs to E4 divided by F4. Now you will get your value, but after that what they are asking, round this value down to 2 decimal place. That means round down function, and you have to use, and it should be 2 decimal place. So before formula, just write down round down, first bracket, then comma 2, close the bracket, enter. Now apply the formula in the remaining cell. Next one, replicate this function used in step 16 and 17 for each drive. So replicate means apply the formula in the remaining cell. Apply appropriate formatting to row 4 to 108. Appropriate formatting means row 4 to 108, where you need to give that symbol, that euro symbol. So in this 2 column I need to give euro symbol. So I need to block whole thing, right click, format cell, then you have to click on currency, 2 decimal place, and you have to choose euro symbol. Any kind of euro symbol you can mention here, euro. Okay, now block whole thing, double click between 2 column, then all the data will be visible. Done. Now next part of this question, what they're asking, save your spreadsheet, print the spreadsheet showing the formula, make sure that it is landscape orientation, row and column heading are displayed, the content of all the cell are fully visible. So in this case what you have to do, page layout, it should be orientation, should be landscape. Go to formula, then click on show formula. So all formula is visual, block whole thing, double click between 2 column. Now everything is visible. Now here what you have to do, row and column heading should be displayed. So just click on file, print, and from page setup go to shade and select row and column heading. Done. It's perfect. Now next question, step, just you have to print it. Next question, what they're asking to do, printout 2 is done. Print the entire spreadsheet showing the value, make sure that printout fit on a single page wide, so it should not go to the other page, in 2 page tall. So that means it should be 2 page maximum. Content of all the cell are fully visible, no split words. Okay, now what you will do, you will just click formula, show formula, you have to unblock, then double click between 2 column, make all the data visible, go to page layout, orientation, rotate. Now file, print with value, you need to print, right? Now page setup, you can make a page setup, and here you have to make it 75%, otherwise 2 page will not come. See, 1 of 2 page. Now you need to print it. All the data is visible now. This is 2 page only. According to the question paper, it will be 2 page. Okay, but here they did not mention that whether in the question paper they did not mention here whether it will be landscape or portrait. You can keep landscape also. In that case, what problem you will face is if you make it landscape, then you will see it will be 3 page. Okay, and in that case you need to make this one more small, which is not visible. So it is better to make page setup, it is better to make portrait, then it will be in 2 page and data will be visible properly, right? Now you need to print it, that's all. Next one, printout 3 is done. Extract only the drives made by Samsung or OZT that cost under 20 euros with more than 240 GB of storage capacities. Now you need to extract means from all the data, and you need to block the heading of the column or data of the column. Now after that you need to go to data menu, then for extract, if they ask you, you need to click filter. If you see filter, if you click filter, you see some drop down menu came for each and every field. So now what is the first condition they ask for? Extract means filtering, that I did. The extract only the drive made by Samsung and OZT. So manufacturer should be text filter equals, it should be first one should be Samsung, and next one, and here what it will be and or. It will be or when you are going to extract some two data from same field. Okay, so OZT and Samsung belongs to same field manufacturer, that time you need to give or. If these two values belongs to two different field, that time you have to click and, so equal to, it will be OZT. Okay, done. First condition is over. Now second condition, what they are asking, the cost under 200 euros, cost, price per GB or price, this price will be under 200 euro, that means less than 200. Okay, sorry, Control Z, price less than 200. Okay, yes, earlier time it was wrong, price 200, done. Now next one, euro with more than 240 GB storage capacity. So storage capacity in GB, it should be more than, greater than 240, and then press OK. Now you can see how many data came: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yes, 12 data is correct. Now next one, what you have to do, sort the extract into ascending order of manufacturer and then ascending order of price. Now you need to make a sorting. Just keep your cursor pointer any part of the data, then click on this sort option. When you see in the question paper it is written then ascending order, okay, to ascending order, and between them they wrote then, in that case you will select this short option, the box one. First one, what they're asking, ascending order of manufacturer, so it should be manufacturer should be A to Z, add label. The next one should be ascending order of price, price should be smallest to largest. Okay, done, perfect. Now next one, print the extract showing the value. Make sure that print fit on a single page where the content of required cell are fully visible. Just you need to print it, that's all. I think you understood. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the class. Thank you for watching.